Heading to Texas tomorrow to see the damage and devastation firsthand.
The First Lady will accompany him as he deals with the first domestic natural disaster of his administration. Local 10 D.C. Bureau Chief Ross Palumbo is live at the White House for us tonight with the latest. Ross.
Well, Nikki and Lori, the president and the first lady, as you say, will be heading to Texas bright and early tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning. They'll be making a second trip coming up on Saturday. The president has been monitoring this entire situation since Friday, both here and at Camp David. Just a few moments ago here in the East Room, the president speaking out on the resiliency of the Texas people.
To the people of Texas and Louisiana, we are 100% with you.
Half of the country's Coast Guard helicopters in the air, rescuing more than 2,000 people already, and FEMA with more than 900 search and rescue operators on the ground.
Right now, this mission it's very important. This is a life safety, life-sustaining mission.
The president back from Camp David, monitoring it all now from the White House after watching by teleconference over the weekend.
I'll be going to Texas tomorrow. I look very much forward to it. Things are being handled really well. The spirit is incredible of the people. The coordination between all of the different services, as you know, has been going very well. Great respect for the governor. He's done an incredible job. And I look forward to the trip. So I'll be going there tomorrow. We're leaving at about 8:30 in the morning. We don't know exactly which sections. We'll be notifying you soon, but we'll be traveling throughout certain parts, and we may actually go back on Saturday.
From Washington, the president tweeting, historic rainfall in Houston and all over Texas. Floods are unprecedented and more rain coming. Spirit of the people is incredible. Thanks. And as floodwaters rose up and rescue after rescue went down, the president tweeting all weekend long about the all-out effort and how he believes it's going well. And as these images grip the nation, other presidents responding, Barack Obama tweeting, thank you to all the first responders and people helping each other out. That's what we do as Americans. Here's one way you can help now. President Bush sending out a message saying, Barbara and I are in Maine, but our hearts are in Houston. And South Florida, more familiar with these images than most, also reaching out. Senator Marco Rubio tweeting, one picture from Texas flood says more about the true America than any speech ever could. Debbie Wasserman Schultz saying, thinking of all those affected by Harvey, hoping for everyone's safety, and so thankful for all of the emergency workers' life-saving efforts. And Ileana Ross-Leighton tweeting, challenging times call for extraordinary measures. Many angels helping however they can with boat rescues, donations, and other important actions.
Again, both the president and the first lady leaving for Texas bright and early tomorrow morning at 8:30. And Lori, they'll be touching down first in Corpus Christi, Texas. Another trip coming up on Saturday. It hasn't been decided whether the president will go to Texas or Louisiana yet. It depends on where Harvey is at that point.
We know you'll be following it for us. Ross, thank you.